This is the TWSBI 580 AL fountain pen. It comes in a cardboard box with the TWSBI logo on the top. Inside there is information about TWSBI as well as the use and care guide and instructions for the pen. And the pen comes in a cardboard box, but inside the cardboard box is a plastic box for the pen. Clear transparent lid that lifts off. Inside there's the TWSBI logo on the base that it sits. And of course we have the TWSBI 580 AL fountain pen. It is a piston style pen. You can see the ink levels inside and the piston as it works. It has these different colored aluminum sections of the pen. This happens to be a purple pen, so you can see the inside the knob and the mechanism, and the cap has a ring engraved with TWSBI and Diamond 580 ALR. And you can see the inside of the pen with a cap. There's an inner cap on the pen that's a little different color, more of a smoky color. And then the matching ring in the top with that purple color. The TWSBI logo in red on the top of the cap. Silver colored trim, so you got a silver clip. And it has these extrusion on the barrel, so the plastic on the barrel has a little bit of a shimmer or sparkle as you twist it. To control the piston, this knob on the end simply unscrews and the piston runs inside the barrel of the pen to allow you to fill it with ink. You'll be able to see the ink levels inside. It is a screw-off cap that will post, just kind of barely sits on the end. Pretty long pen with that cap, so you don't necessarily need to cap it, but you can. It has a matching section with the rest of the pen. A little bit of a grip or grooves kind of cut into that. Not sure if you can see that on the video, but it does give you some nice grip when you hold it, with a silver colored chrome ring on the front, black feed, and a silver stainless steel nib engraved with the TWSBI logo. Great pen, great piston pen. If you're looking for a piston style fountain pen, get your TWSBI Diamond 580 ALR fountain pen at penchalet.com.